Okay, hey guys in the DS106 community. I decided to go ahead and record a tutorial video for you on how I make GIFs, or GIFs, or whatever you want to call it. I found a video on YouTube, and I have made a video previously on how I've done this, but I'm making a video on how to make a GIF for my design assignment, which is to create a GIF using a family video, home video. So first I went to YouTube and I found a video, and I've used this video in the past. I'll post a link with the post I create on my blog. But I downloaded the KM player, and what you want to do is just go through all the initial setup. While you are going through the while you are going through the setup, please make sure that you don't add any of the additional stuff. I have used this program before, and it has put malware on my computer, and I deleted it when I was done, but it's the only software I found that actually works. So so here it is downloading. Okay, so while that is happening, I just want to explain what the KM player is used for. So what you guys will be using it for is to capture the images of the video that you want to use. So my video is from me and my family going to the Science Museum. As you can see, I've already chopped it. The video was originally about maybe 2 or 3 minutes long, and I just went into Windows Live Movie Maker, and I just added my video that I wanted. Let's see if I can find it on here one more time. Where is it? Okay, so the video is originally, a minute long. So what you would do is just go to edit, find out where you want your start point to be. My start point is starting about right here. That is me. You just set your start point, and it trims it for you, and then you just set your ending point, and then you would just go to save project as, or what I did was save movie as, so that you can actually sometimes it won't download the project file, so you want to save it as a movie file or whatever, and you just choose whatever one you want. I have actually already gone through that step and ended up with this 3-second little video right here. So yeah, that's what the KM player does. So KM player screen is coming up, and there are a couple different languages you can select. I will definitely select English. And it's going to take a second for this to finish. And you just go through the setup. Alright, you have to push I agree, even though I really don't know what's in it. You can go through this. Still not really sure what's in here. But, alright. I go through all its processes, and while it is installing, make sure that you already have your video together. Since you are using the KM player, you don't have to go through the Windows Movie Maker step if you do not want to. I just find it easier to already have the video at the length that I want it already. And here is the KM player. So what you want to do from here is to open your file. So what I just did was right click on the screen. I'm going to open my file, and I did save it on my desktop for easy access. I'm going to pick the shortened Science Museum file that I created. Here it is. See? It's the whole video. Once you hit Control G, you will get this box right here. And what you want to do is make sure that the format is JPEG middle slow. You want numbers to extract continuously, and you want to do 20 frames per second. I'm not exactly sure why, but that is the video that I used. This is the information that they gave me. So what you want to do is you hit start, and just because you hit start, that does not mean that it is capturing anything right now. You can hit start, you can wait for an hour if you like, if it won't capture anything. What you have to do here is hit play for the length of the video for the area that you want to make the GIF out of. So that's why I already cut my video previously, so that I wouldn't have to take out as many photos, which you'll see in a second. So I'm going to hit play here. Okay. I'm going to stop this. And as you just saw, that said captured 40 times. So after you have extracted the screenshots you want with using the KM player, what you want to do is find all your all the images that you have captured. So I always go through go to my computer and go through the hard drive, and there is a folder that was created during the installation process called KM player. So double click on that, then click on capture, and these are all of the images that was just created. Like I said, I wanted to use all of my images. You see I'm moving through them pretty quickly, so you can looks like the image is already moving, but I would like to keep all of these. So next step will be to open GIMP, which I've already have here. And what you want to do is go to open as layers. You do not just want to open the file, you would like to open it as layers so that when it animates it will be correct. So you go to wherever your screen captures are. Like I said, I had mine on the hard drive, so I click OSC KM player capture, and what you want to do is to select all of the images that you have and click open. Okay, and from there you want to go to filters, animation, and then go to playback, and then just hit play. And there you go, you have your GIF. Now what you want to do is export this. So click export as. You can go to pictures if you like. You don't want this to say JPEG. You do not want this to say JPG. You want this to say GIF so that it can export properly. And I'm going to change the rest of this. Alright, and you want to click export. Make sure that you click this as animation button. If not, it will ruin the export, it will ruin the GIF. So once you click that, click export again. This, you can save it if you like. I'm just going to save it as XCF because you want to save it under the actual GIMP file in case you want to go back and make some changes. So save it and close out of GIMP. So once you locate it on your disk, it is going to, when you find it, it's going to just look like this. It's not going to be animated yet. So you can get out of that, and since most of us are using WordPress as our blog, you just go here, and as you can see I've already put this in, but you just go to add media and you add the media file, the photo or the GIF file that you just created, and you click on it. And when you insert into post, make sure that the size is full size, because if it is cropped, it will not automatically play as mine is playing right now. So I'm not going to publish this yet, but when you hit preview, you can see that it is playing automatically. Okay. to have that. And that is about it for creating a GIF. See you guys next time.